Hello guys, good morning from this end, or good afternoon, good day from wherever you're watching me from. It's actually 6 a.m. this morning. It's quite early, so I just want to quickly show you guys how to detox your face using the steaming method. Some people make the mistake of over steaming their face. This method is actually good once in a while, okay, and it helps to get your face rid of dead skin cells. It helps to moisten your face and it opens your pores. Most especially, it opens your facial pores in order for it to take in all the goodness of your hydrating face cream that you are going to be using afterwards. Because after you have detoxed your face, you would have to moisturize your face just for your pores to be opened and get it rid of probably all the unwanted stuff on your face that must have accumulated, and then opening it up for you to put in all the goodness of your moisturizer, your face serum, and your face toner. This is like a facial spa treatment, because this channel, it's all about showing you processes that you can do yourself without breaking the bank. But if you can also go to the spa once in a while for your facials, it's okay, because it's the season of celebration, so we need to glow. I hope you find out time to watch my other videos, and if you find them so guys, if you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Judith. You are welcome back to the channel, Judith Effect. And if this is your first time here, thank you for joining the family. I hope you like it here and I hope you stay. Please make sure to subscribe, watch the video up until the end, do not skip. I'm keeping my voice a bit low because it's still very dark outside. Everyone is still asleep, and that's why I want to keep my voice really low so that they don't get to hear my voice. Now let's go downstairs and I'll show you how I'll be doing this thing. So sorry guys for the poor light reflection. My ring light at the moment is not switched on because the wire is not long enough to get connected to the socket. Okay, covering my hair because I feel quite cold. It's quite cold out, not like outside, but outside my room, like downstairs. I'll be showing you how you're going to go about this steam. I already have my water in the kettle right here, so I'm just going to put it switched on now. Now it's boiling. I'll be turning it into a bowl. I already got my bowl here, so I'll turn it into my bowl. So this is my bowl. Please ignore the stains on the bowl. I'm gonna turn it in so you can see the steam. I'm gonna move a little bit back so you can see the steam. Can you see the steam? So I'll show you how I'll put my face in it. Let me just put it in a safe place. So I'm just gonna let it so all you need to do is just to feel the steam on your face. You'll start feeling like a heat. This heat or sweat. Guys, you can't see me clearly because my light is not so bright here, but I'm really sweating and it's cold here as well. So after you've done this process, you can let the water boil, very well boil. Make sure you don't put your face so inside. When the water is boiled, put your face in the bowl like more than halfway up so that you don't get to feel that very burning sensation all over your face. All you just need to do is just that heat to touch your face. Like right now, I'm really sweating, but it's just that because it's cold here, so it's drying off easily. So I'll just go wash my face and I'll show you guys later the end result. I'll apply my moisturizer and use my vitamin C serum or my toner, but for this process I don't want to do too much. Just use only my moisturizer and just let my face breathe, just for it to soak in all the nutrients of my moisturizer into my face. So this is just how you steam your face, guys. You need to put your face all in for it to burn your face. Just let the steam. Okay, I'll still do more of it because I don't have my tripod so it's a bit difficult for me to hold this, and I didn't even tie my hair, so my hair was just getting into the way. Okay, so the steam is still coming out. And honestly, it's so refreshing. There's a feeling you get, your face just feels like it's getting this mild massage. The steam is actually making me a little bit sweaty, so I don't want to touch my face. So like I said, I'm going to show you guys the results afterwards. Okay, so I'll see you soon. So my lovelies, I've rinsed off my face and here is the results. Peep the glow, guys. This face detox is the real deal. There is this smoothness I felt as soon as I rinsed my face. Okay, so this is how you do it. So if you're doing this process, because at night before you go to bed, you use your face cream. So in the morning when you wake up, make sure your face is washed. Then after you wash your face, then you do your face steam. After you've done your face steam, for me, I just used water to rinse off. I used like almost not cold water, just warm water, not hot, not cold, just warm, to rinse out my face. And then I applied my face cream. I first used my face toner and there is this extra smoothness. It felt very nice smoothing on my palm while I was using my face serum and my face toner on my face while I was massaging my face serum, the vitamin C face serum. Then afterwards, I followed in with my face moisturizer, or if you have a brightening face cream, you can use it. As I'm going out, I used my sunscreen because the sun is a bit out today. You can see the reflection from my window. You can see it on my room. It's actually sunny, so I used my sunscreen. Honestly, guys, is this the first time I'm detoxing my face? And guys, it's as if I just purged my face of all the toxins. Like I detoxed my face of all the toxins. Like, look at the glow. It's a nice way to smoothen your skin. This particular one, noticed a high level of smoothing on my face. My face felt really smooth. My face feels really light, like doing all my skincare routine. My face still just feels light. It just feels like there were some things that were lifted off my face. I showed you the step-by-step process. Just go ahead and try it. And that's why I decided to bring it for you guys, like to show you guys the step-by-step process. If you are like me that really don't have time to really visit the spa, or probably the spa is not close to you, you can do this yourself, like, or you can get the machine online. Or I just see people, use it when they are doing skincare routine. But fam, doing it by myself, I don't regret it. My face feels so good. Like, it's as if you just ate a different food. Like, it's been wanting this food for a long time and it was not getting it. Now it's like, pick the glow. Yeah, now I'm close to this is the natural sunlight. This is better. So let me go close to the window because it's not really bright in my room. But hey guys, so this is the look. So this is what I have for you in this video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me up on my Instagram page. It's Judith_Okoli. I'll leave it running on the screen. And tell me in the comment section, will you be trying this? Will you be trying this process? And if you've tried it, did you like how your face felt? So thank you so much for watching.